Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my honey jerk fish fillet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my fish fillet. I also have a combination of seasonings, and I also have my jerk seasoning and my honey that I combine together. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my fish fillet, because you want to always ensure that the excess water is removed from your fish fillet. And guys, just to note that within 10 minutes our fish fillet is all ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on a dry plate, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just dry the other piece of fish fillet. And for today's recipe, I'm just using 2 pieces of fish fillet. If you want to go and add more, then you can always go in and add some more. Always remember that my recipe acts as a guide, so you guys can go in and always subtract or add whatever you want to add to your ingredients, alright, or to your food, whatever you are making. Always remember that cooking is about being creative. Try to be you in the kitchen, alright? So I'm gonna go in and season my fish fillet, and I'm not going to use a lot of powdered seasoning on my fish fillet today. So basically I'm just using some all-purpose seasoning and some parsley flakes. That's all I'm using on it today. I will also go in and add the combination of the jerk seasoning and the honey, and I'm just gonna go in and rub this in. Alright, so while I'm doing this, I preheat my oven at 200 degrees, and I also went ahead and lined my Pyrex dish with foil paper that I'm gonna bake my fish fillet in. Alright guys, so this is my seasoned fish fillet. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and place my fish fillet in the Pyrex dish. Of course, I'm gonna place this in the oven for roughly 5 minutes, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like after 5 minutes. Alright guys, so this is my fish fillet. I felt a little bit extra, so I decided that I'm gonna put some garlic spread on it and basically just place it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Because we don't want to leave it in the oven for too long, because we don't want it to be too soft, alright, and start to just break apart. So you have to be careful, alright? So in a minute, I'm gonna come back and show you the final product of my honey jerk fish fillet, and I will also go ahead and serve this up with some turned cornmeal. Alright guys, so this is my honey jerk fish fillet, all ready, quick and easy. So I'm gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product in a minute, alright? So guys, this is the final product of my honey jerk fish fillet. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.